If you're serious about doing filming, but you've only got a mobile phone and you want to attach some other attachments to it, say for instance you want to put a light on it, this video might be for you. We are doing a review on a cage, and the idea behind this cage is designed for mobile phones. So you can attach your phone to it, you can attach a light, even a little handle to hold it, and of course you can attach a microphone. So we are doing a review on this product right now. It costs around about £60, and they do two versions. They do the £60 one, which is what we got, and they also do the £115, which has some extra bits to go with it. So I will stick a link in the video description in case you want to go and check it out. You never know, it might be just up your street. You never know. So I'm just going to make sure it's actually in this box, because I've got a few boxes about this size and it might not be in here, but we need to find out first. Oh, it is. So this is the baby. This is from Viewflex, and it's a vs03 smartphone video cage kit, built-in Bluetooth remote control. That's what it says. This is the baby. Yeah, and nicely packaged. So with that, let's get the unboxing done and see exactly what you're getting for your money and give it a little test. Right, quick look around the box, and that's about it really. So it just tells you the main features of the product, so I'm not going to read them out to you, because you want to see exactly what you're getting for your money and how does it work, don't you? So let's get one done. I'm not even sure if that's the right side to do, but that's what we're doing. Don't forget people, if you like my videos and you find them helpful, please consider subscribing. It doesn't cost you any money, and it does encourage me to make more videos. Whether that be a good bad, whether that be a good thing or bad thing. Right, so that is everything you get in the box, so let's quickly go through it. So we have a QC pass, very nice. Service warranty, what's that? This warranty does not cover blah blah blah. This warranty is void if blah blah blah. No words, leave it alone. Do not play about with it. And instructions, which I will have to go through. Remote control for taking your footage, and the actual device itself. So as a number of different connections or screw head sizes, so that you can attach different devices, and it's got quite a bit of weight to it actually. Yeah, the handles do feel really nice, by the way, or the grips. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to have a quick read of the instructions. How's that go? Does that just put up? Yeah, baby, let's get my phone before we start reading the instructions. So, will my phone reach? We will find out. Will my phone fit? Not reach. And oh yeah, it does. And this is the OnePlus Pro 8 or OnePlus 8 Pro, depends how you look at it. And yeah, that fits alright, doesn't it? Very nice. Doesn't feel like it's going to fall out. And it's also in a case as well to protect it. Yeah, so filming, and you can attach things like lights, microphones will slide on there. If you've got cold shoes, they'll slide on there. Not sure what that's for. That might actually be for the remote. Yes. So storing remote, that's quite a good idea. So like I said, I am going to read the instructions, make sure I know exactly what I'm doing, and we'll give it a test. Right, I've had a read of the instructions, and it does sound quite simple to get it all connected. So first things first, it says remove this. Right, that should be ready to go. And now it says hold this down for 2 seconds. Should be there, flashing blue and red. So it's looking for Bluetooth connection. Oh, there it goes, straight away. Connect to it, pairing. That is it, job done. Now that should now be ready to go. So we're going to try it out. So connect it to the unit itself. So put on video. Let's turn it around. So it's on photo at the moment. Then change it to video. So that is now on video. Let's see, stand her up. See that? So I should be able to start filming. Oh, and there it goes. That straight away. Stop. Cool. Now if I put that in now, that should work exactly the same. And it does. So that works perfectly. That was really easy to set up. So simple. What we're going to do now, we're going to have a little play about of it and give it a proper test. Right, this attached some lighting, so if you need extra lighting, you should be able to just connect. So that would be, if you need extra lighting, you can do that. And like I said earlier, you can put a microphone on that side and you just go and action. There you go. Took a couple of presses, but it's working. There you go, like that. So I'm filming my keyboard at the moment, as you can see. This is my stream deck. This is my audio for my live streaming that I use when I'm live streaming. My speakers, 2.1, yeah, stereo with a subwoofer, and a cup of tea. Yeah. So does it make it any better? Well, you are using 2 ends, so it's definitely going to help, isn't it? Because it's going to be more stable. And yeah, doesn't feel as though it's going to fall off, which is what you want. Like I said, you could use a microphone on there, so you put a microphone on there, and yeah, away you go. Right, this is a bit heavy because that is a big battery. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to swap batteries over and put a smaller battery on. Let me stop my recording on here. Right, let's put a smaller battery on, like that. Let's see if she's going to work, because that disconnected. Oh, it's still working. I thought that disconnected, but it hasn't. So put the light on, and voila, stands up now. That was a big battery I had on there. I don't need a big battery like that. So yeah, working fine. That is pretty good. That does feel really nice. I do like the feel of that. Nice soft grip, but it doesn't feel as though it's going to break. Yeah, very nice. And easy to do the button. That's stopped. And play. What I'm going to do now, I am going to take her out in the garden. I'm going to film about out my garden, and I will show you that bit of video with all of that audio. I'm not sure yet, but that is what I'm going to show. I'm going to leave the light on for now as well. I'm not going to put a microphone on because you know it will work. All you need is a cold shoe, or you can use one of the screw connections here. You've got various different sizes, so it should be able to get most devices on there. And also, you could probably put it on a tripod as well. Yeah, that would definitely go on a tripod. So if you need to put it on a tripod, you could do that. And I will finish off, actually saying that, I will finish it off with this on a tripod as well. So give me a second and we'll take her outside. Let me stop that bit of video. Right, we are now in my back garden and I'm walking around. I'm using 2 hands so it should make it more stable. It's showing you around some plants. It's spring at the moment, so nothing's coming out much. Just started to get a few buds out, as you can see. I've still got my light on, by the way. I just realised. Let me turn the brightness up on that. Might not work very well in the daytime. Probably don't need it on, but I'm going to leave it on for now anyway. And don't forget, you can turn it as well. Like that. Bring it down really close. And if you get the one with the handle, it could be even better as well. Could be even smoother. I'm just using one hand at the moment. Back up. Right, so I thought I'd show you it on an actual stand, to the tripod stand, and I connected the microphone. So I'll put a microphone on now. That's not actually connected to the phone because I'm not recording on the phone. But I just thought I would show you it actually on this little unit. There are loads of different screw holes all the way to the top, all the way to the bottom, even two on the sides, one on each side of here. So you've got plenty of options for screwing in different devices. And yeah, it works extremely well. I'm quite pleased with it. It's got a nice feel to it. I do like the feel of it, and it does feel very robust. It doesn't feel as though if you dropped it on the floor, it's going to break. It's basically a lump of metal. Yes, but if you are looking for something like this, where you want to use your phone for doing recording, and say for instance, you're not very steady with your hands, you can use two hands to glide it around like I showed you in my garden. It works extremely well. It definitely gets my thumbs up for the amount of money it costs. I think it was just under £60. Don't forget they do two versions. The other one comes with some extra bits like a handle and stuff like that. You might want to buy that one, but we got the budget one, and yeah, like I said, gets my thumbs up. I'm very pleased with it. It's easy to connect. It was really easy. It took literally seconds to connect it to my phone, and it does work. Like I say, the only issue I had was the battery that came with it. It died straight away, so I had to swap over batteries, but I have quite a few. And them batteries are really cheap in this country. I think you can get a packet of 10 for less than £1. And it's a 20-30 size ones you want, the little watch batteries, or big watch batteries actually. Yeah, they are dirt cheap. I've got loads of them, you know, laying about somewhere. So with that, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give me a thumbs down, and please subscribe. It doesn't cost you any money whatsoever, and it does help me to carry on making more videos. So thank you very much for watching.